So basically I4W is going to be minus 2 plus 3I, and that's I4W there. Okay, and I4W once again might be a 90-degree rotation. It's not even a 90-degree rotation on the last one, so we can see it's not really following the rotations when you use minus I4. Now explain why W and I4W have the same position on the Argand diagram. Well, what we have to remember is anytime you multiply by I, you're doing a clockwise rotation. So anytime you multiply by I1 is 90 degrees anti-clockwise, and I4 therefore is 360 degrees anti-clockwise. So therefore if W is located here, it will undergo four 90-degree rotations until it's back where it started from. Now, next question is I squared W equal to minus I squared W? Justify your answer. Okay, so W is located here, and W is 3 minus 2I, which is here. And then I squared W is going to be minus 1 times 3 minus 2I, which is going to be minus 3 plus 2I. So minus 3 plus 2I is located here. And then what we have next is we're going to have, that's I squared W. And then what we have after that is going to be minus I squared W. So minus I squared W is going to be minus, and that's going to be minus 1, which is going to be 1. Is 3 minus 2I. 3 minus 2I is here. So look, they're not the same thing because they are they're opposite ends. They're central symmetry of each other. Okay, so they are not the same thing. Now we have next is U equals 3IW. U equals 3I multiplied by 3 minus 2I. Give a geometrical interpretation of U. Well, when you multiply by I, you're talking about a 90 degrees rotation. So let's just multiply by I first. We get I times 3 minus 2I, and we're going to get 3I minus 2I squared, which is going to be 2 plus 3I. Now 2 plus 3I is located up here, and as seen, it's a 90-degree rotation. Now we got to multiply by the 3, and multiply by the 3 we get 6 plus 9I, and what this has the effect of is basically tripling the length. So what happens is it's a 90-degree rotation, anti-clockwise rotation, and then 3 times the original length, 3 times length. Okay, and that's the end of question 4.